That's right, tonight is the Tesla semi-truck unveiling event, and I'm here. I was lucky enough that some of my friends that are Tesla YouTubers invited me to use one of their passes to come tonight, so of course, I was all about it. But first, look at all these Teslas. Model 3, Model S, Model 3, and check this out. The old school Roadster. Beautiful orange. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. So we're here. What other surprises are gonna come? Maybe you've already seen it. I hope that Elon Musk is here again tonight because I'm kind of fanboying over him. But here we go. All right, we made it into the holding area. They have a logo of the Tesla semi-truck up there. Really loud music. Hopefully you can hear me. Lots of Tesla logos. But one of my favorite things, we are in Southern California. At the same time, they have about 30 of these heaters. Why do you need that in California? Come on. We are about 30 minutes away from the beginning of this thing. It's getting packed. Check this out, look at this line. All those people, so we're at the very front. If you look through these hedges right here, look what you see. There it is, oh, move people. Oh baby, there it is. So that's where we're at right now. I just heard that Elon pulled up, so he is in the building. We've been waiting for about 45 minutes here. It's getting close. It's getting close. Look at all the people. I think so.
Let's go.
That thing is actually super fast. The horn, they might want to work on the horn and get a little bit manlier of a horn. That's my only complaint.
Tesla Semi can do 65 miles an hour for about 2 frames.
Elon Musk right in front of me, like 20 feet away. Elon Musk. Yes. Yes. What? I just shook his hand. We just shook Elon Musk's hand. Not a bad day.
Good job!
Something's coming out of that truck.
I know.
Something else is coming right now. That truck is lowering. Something is happening right now. Woo! That was so fast. Holy smokes, that is so cool. That is a really fast roadster.
The foundation of the whole company was the Tesla Roadster. People have asked us for a long time, when are you going to make a new Roadster? We are making it now.
Holy moly, this is getting real.
Crazy.
620-mile highway range. What? Alright, we're gonna test it out. This is the Roadster, first one. All right, I just checked it out. It's kind of a mob scene. I'll let everybody else go, but that is pretty cool. Wow, what a shocker. The Roadster, 1.9 seconds, 0 to 60, 4.9, 0 to 100, which my Tesla Model X does 4.7, 0 to 60. 600 and something range, I can't even remember. Like, that's a crazy range right there. Holy smokes. All right, now we are heading over to the after party. That was pretty dang rad. Wow, okay, Ben, what's your thoughts on this from tonight?
Wow! That's it.
That car, okay, that Roadster, he already gets one for free. So when they come out, he's already earned one for referring so many people, so.
Yeah, I can't even.
You better give me a ride. Like, the first week that you got it, I'm coming down.
You're one of the first people.
Yes,
Absolutely.
You heard it. I'm documenting this right now.
Yes.
Ben invited me to come. It's been a blast. Elon Musk is incredible. I shook his hand. What else do I need from the video, right?
You know,
Did you shake Elon's hand?
no, I didn't. No, I'm a little upset.
So I am in line to go on a ride in the Roadster. There's been about 30 or 40 people that have gone on a ride. I'm hoping it has enough battery by the time I get to it. It is my turn to go on a ride in the brand new Roadster. Okay, we're getting in. Look at this thing. Woo! I'm touching it. I touched it. Look at this seat down there. I'm going in. Oh!
Put your hand on the back of the headrest when he accelerates. Make sure you don't get any whiplash.
Okay. I'll try not to.
That's good advice, actually. How are you? My name's Emil.
I'm Dan. Nice to meet you, Emil.
Nice to meet you, Dan.
You gonna do this all day, huh?
All night long, yes, sir.
Dude,
Totally
Emil
takes me
is
out
the
of it.
man. So Emil is the driver. He's cruising in this thing. Anything I should know that's cool to look at as we're doing this?
Yes, the screen will go plaid. Because keep in mind, we've seen Ludicrous Moto, we've experienced that.
Yeah.
We're now talking next level stuff, plaid.
Plaid.
The screen will go
What's the
plaid.
story with this steering wheel? Wow.
It's the yoke steering wheel. It's a pretty cool thing. It feels amazing at hand. It'll take a little getting used to for some folks, but
Yeah.
the beauty of it forces you to keep your hands at 9 and 3, just as we've been instructing drivers for years at racing schools.
That makes sense.
So it's really cool. You'll notice
Okay.
you have a display right in front of you, same as mine.
0 to 70 in.
We're gonna do 0 to 70, but 0 to 60 within that is gonna be less than 2 seconds.
Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty
Okay, my head's
for
against
sure.
it. We got this racetrack
Ready?
coming in front of
Ready
us.
to do this? 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Whoa! Oh! What?
Dude, I'm here to tell you that never gets old. Never gets old.
That was more than any ride I've ever been on at any place, like any, I don't know, Disney World, anything.
I think I saw 80 or 81.
That was 80. We went 80. That felt
Super.
crazy.
Did you see it go plaid?
I saw it. I saw it briefly. I don't know if I was seeing stars or seeing plaid.
That was insane.
Are you an astronaut on the side?
It's funny, I'm a racing driver, but even the race cars I drive, nothing accelerates as fast as this. At least nothing that I've driven. So it's a pretty amazing thing.
How long have you been driving this? Like how? When,
So they called me to do some of the development driving about 2 months ago, month and a half, 2 months ago. So I've
Uh-huh.
been doing some of the driving. I think I was the second person, Alan Clark, the chief engineer, I think, on the project. Was one of the first to drive it. And then I've been doing all the development driving since then. So
That's amazing.
yeah, I couldn't believe I got the call to do so. Hope to continue to do it.
This was incredible. It was totally worth it.
Glad you
Incredible, incredible. I got to get me one of these. Thank you.
Take care, bro.
How do you open this door here? Down
Secret
there?
button.
Okay, all right. Take care. As a parting gift, they gave us these red sketches of the Roadster. As a quick wrap up, tonight was amazing. I thought that it was gonna be a semi-truck event and it was just gonna be about a truck, and I'm like, I've never driven in a semi-truck. I don't know why I need to go to a semi-truck event. The semi-truck was actually super cool. I mean, you think about the amount of gasoline that is used in the USA alone, just on trucks driving across from state to state, or even within cities. I mean, this could save so much. These trucks are gonna be powered by solar power, basically. In 30 minutes, you get like a 300-mile charge. That's ridiculous. So anyway, thank you for Tesla for letting me come to this. Thank you to Ben from Teslanomics for inviting me to this. Check him out in the link in the description. We'll put him down below and you can check out his channel and learn all you can about Tesla. Rode in the Roadster, shook Elon Musk's hand. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Roadster. Is it worth paying $250,000 for a Roadster? After riding in it, I can say that's debatable.
One.